Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how the contacts are created, how the portal access is provided, and how to verify the information entered by the contact through their portal login. This is the first screen that you will see when you log into the program Immicompliance. When you go to the contact manager, this would be the screen that you would see. In the contact manager, as you can see, all the contacts are listed with their email, phone, and user type. You also see the portal access, if you have provided portal access to them or not. So what happens is when you create a contact using this button, add contact here, or add contact in the case manager when you create the case, and if you do not have an applicant, you try to create an applicant, or when you create a petitioner, you get a similar screen. And what you see here is the type of the contact, and if the contact is a company or individual, and based on that the fields change. The main point here is you can enter the data and all that, but this is where you provide the portal access. This is by default a standard portal access to this account. For this account, you can change the portal access default to whichever setting you want. And if you do not have the email for the contact, let's say if I try to generate an email for this particular contact, you would have no portal access because the program cannot send the login details to that particular contact because there is no email. If there is an email, we would use that email address as the login ID for that particular contact and a system generated password. And that contact will receive the email like this one. I'm going to go to a contact here. Now this contact received the first email when the contact is created and provided a portal access. This is what they will see. They will see this would be your firm name, your phone number, your firm's phone number, and there is a user ID for the person to log in, and the password which is generated by the system, and the login where they can log into the portal. Okay, so let's go back to the contact here, and this is what you can see whether the person or the contact you have has a portal access or not. Let's say when you click on a contact, you will see this screen. In the screen, you see that portal access is provided, or if you want to change it, you can change it and also can update the contact. But basically, you see all the information here and several tabs on this side. Here you see the cases, and there is one case listed for this particular contact. To see the portal access information that was updated by the contact, you need to go to the questionnaires here. In the questionnaires, you will see the profile questionnaire, which is the default questionnaire that system provides or sends out to them when they log in. When you select standard portal access, if you need to provide a specific questionnaire when there is no case is created for the contact, you can configure it and provide that questionnaire through this drop down. So let's say you want this account has this questionnaire, custom questionnaire. You can select this and can create a contact with which will show them this questionnaire as their default questionnaire. But otherwise, it will be a profile default questionnaire which would have the tabs applicant profile, like applicant or petitioner profile with their name and address and other basic details, and also you see several tabs like contact details and also the dependent details. Now you can see this profile questionnaire highlighted in the contact screen when there is no case created. When there is a case created, you would see the profile questionnaire, and also you would see a case questionnaire. Like you can just click on the drop down and go to the case questionnaire, and you will see what they would see on their portal when there is a case is created besides the profile questionnaire. So they will see all these tabs. Okay, and if the information is created or entered, you will see that information. You will not be able to edit it here unless you go click on this, and then a new screen shows up which will allow you to edit the data, or you can edit the data through the smart questionnaires from the case manager. Okay, now let's see how the contact sees their screen. Let me pull up a different browser, and it is the same contact I'm using. This is the user ID and the password which is provided by the program in the email. The email goes out with a system generated password and the user ID as their email ID. Okay, now here let me show the portal. This person has logged in with the user ID and password provided to them, and this is what they would see. This is the profile questionnaire which is by default sent to them when there is a no case created for them. Now under the profile they have different tabs that they can enter data in, and also when there a case is created you will see additional questionnaires here. Okay, so as they update it, you would see that in real time on your screen here. Sorry, here. Now this is what the portal access is. You do not have to send out any specific email, or you do not have to attach and send the custom questionnaire or profile questionnaire or case questionnaire. System automatically does that. So let's say when the case is created for this person, here the case ID 1344, another email goes out. Now the case is already created, and what happened at the time of case creation, another email went out to this person, this applicant, and that is this email, and you see that it says that okay, you have there is a immigration petition created by your user ID, your firm's ID, and you'll see what date, what case ID, what kind of case type, and who is the petitioner, who is the applicant. And when they click on this, they would be able to log into the same portal using their user ID password that was already supplied to them by the prior email. Okay, any questions, you can contact support@immicompliance.com, or you can contact us via phone. Also, the best way to reach us is just by sending an email to support@immicompliance. Thank you very much.